Before you trust Advantage Gold with your retirement savings, you need to hear this. Most investors do not realize a hidden risk that could cost them thousands. And it's too late by the time they will find out. But don't worry, I have researched it for you. Stick around because in the next few minutes, I will reveal the truth about Advantage Gold that no one is talking about. So now, when it comes to retirement accounts, many people overlook something crucial: the potential threat of inflation, market volatility, and currency devaluation. You've likely heard about the importance of diversifying your portfolio, but what about diversifying with precious metals? So the reality is, while other companies like Advantage Gold push paper-based assets, Augusta Precious Metals offers a safe, tangible, and secure option for long-term growth. In fact, Augusta is known for its focus on delivering gold and silver IRAs that are simple to understand and secure, and without the risk of inflation eating away your retirement. So with Augusta, you gain access to a portfolio of physical gold and silver coins and bars that can protect you from the market swings. Plus, they offer a hands-on approach to educate you so you fully understand your investment choices. And unlike the typical brokers at Advantage Gold, Augusta Precious Metals provide transparency every step of the way, making your gold IRA journey smooth and stress-free. So if you're wondering how to get started or have any questions, don't hesitate to call 855-444-7022. That's the number for Augusta Precious Metals, where their experts are ready to guide you through the process and help you safeguard your future. Now, let's talk about a key reason why investors face issues when choosing companies like Advantage Gold. They tend to push IRA investment with minimal transparency about the risk involved. For example, the Advantage Gold promotions may make it seem like a quick and easy solution for retirement, but the reality is, without understanding what's really behind those promises, you could be walking into dangerous territory. And that's where Augusta Precious Metals really shines. By offering a straightforward, transparent, and personalized approach to gold and silver IRAs, Augusta helps you avoid those hidden pitfalls that other ones tell you. So this approach gives you the confidence that your savings are backed by real, tangible assets that can withstand economic downturns. So the bottom line, it's time to take control of your financial future. Don't let the market dictate your retirement. Give yourself the best chance at success by choosing a company that puts your interests first, like Augusta Precious Metals. Remember, they offer expert guidance from start to finish, and their commitment to your financial security is unmatched. So if you're serious about protecting your wealth, you need to take the next step and call Augusta at 855-444-7022. Their team is ready to help you secure your retirement with gold and silver. So don't wait for a crisis to make a move. Call Augusta today and get the peace of mind you deserve.